Cessna C700. Report them in sight.
Airtron 6756 approaching level 330 Hong Kong.
Airtron 6756. Hello, identified. Proceed direct to November.
116 have the
Direct
traffic.
to November, Airtron 6756. Transavia 3 uniform, climbing level 260 to Woody, CPDLC.
Transavia 3 uniform, identified. Climb flight level 290, confirm requested level.
Climbing level 290, requested is 410, Transavia 3 uniform.
Roger, to expect.
Transavia 40 Golf, passing flight level 190, climbing flight level 260 at CPDLC.
Transavia 42 Golf, hail, identified. Climb flight level 320, confirm requested level.
Express 17 tree flight level 37.
Climbing flight level 320, requesting flight level 410, Transavia 40 Golf.
Continue to Bravo
Roger,
November
expect.
Oscar as planned. Generic Lima Kilo Kilo traffic is 8 o'clock, 4 miles at flight level 350 Boeing 737. Report them in sight. Ryanair Tree 048 traffic is 10 o'clock, 4 miles at flight level 370 generic. Report them in sight. Generic Lima Kilo, Kilo traffic in
Kilum
sight.
3 Papa, Pado 280 in Mount Dana.
KLM 3 and Papa, identified. What's your requested level?
Ryanair
280 is fine, Kilum 3 Papa.
Okay, super.
120.65. Good day. Ryanair Tree 048 have the generic in sight. 120.65 for Ryanair 2581.
Transavia 3 uniform contact 125935. Good day.
25935, Transavia 3 uniform.
Vienna Center Lufthansa 165 is passing flight level 315, climbing flight level 340. Lufthansa 165 Vienna Center, continue as planned. Turkish 15907 traffic is 9 o'clock, 4 miles at flight level 370 Airbus. Report them in sight. Turkish 15907 traffic in sight.
Transavia 4 to Golf, direct Montreal.
120.65 for Boeing
Say again, for Transavia 40 Golf?
Direct Montreal.
Transavia 40 Golf, thank you.
Cessna X-Ray Golf Sierra descend and maintain 8,000 feet.
Descend and maintain 8,000 feet, Cessna X-Ray Golf Sierra.
380 for lower, please.
792 to river, clear level 250.
River 250, KLM 792.
KLM 38 Papa to river, descend level 250.
River 250, KLM 38 Papa. KLM 792, any restrictions, beam data?
Negative.
Roger.
Eurotron
Quality Tree Heavy contact ground center on 118 decimal tree 75.
355. Have a good day. Bye bye.
133355, good shot 6756, right?
Decimal tree 75 for Quality Tree Heavy. Center, Sun Express 9er 89er flight level, tree 90. Sun Express 9er 89er Vienna Center, continue to Rokib as planned.
KLM 792, contact 127230, fijne dag, tot ziens.
127230, tot ziens KLM 792.
Landing gear. Landing gear. Landing gear. Landing gear. Landing gear.
Cessna X-Ray Golf Sierra contact Salzburg approach on 1-3-2-46. Good day.
Landing gear. Landing
1-3-2-46 for Cessna X-Ray Golf Sierra. Salzburg approach Cessna Alpha Sierra X-Ray Golf Sierra is passing 11,400 feet, descending 8,000 feet.
Cessna Alpha Sierra X-Ray Golf Sierra Salzburg approach QNH tree 0.00. Continue to WS 832 as planned.
Oral warning, okay.
Cessna X-ray Golf Sierra descend and maintain 5,000 feet.
Descend and maintain 5,000 feet Cessna X-ray Golf Sierra.
Cessna X-ray Golf Sierra, you are 16 miles northeast. Descend and maintain 4,000 feet. Expect ILS runway 15 approach via Sierra Bravo Golf transition. Cleared to Sierra Bravo Golf.
Descend and maintain 4,000 feet. Expect ILS runway 15 approach via Sierra Bravo Golf transition. Cleared to Sierra Bravo Golf Cessna X-ray Golf Sierra.
Landing gear. 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 Landing gear.
Cessna X-ray Golf Sierra, you are 11 miles north of Salzburg. Contact Salzburg Tower on 118.1 when inbound on the approach.
Landing gear.
Tower on 118.1 Cessna X-ray Golf Sierra. Salzburg Tower Cessna Alpha Sierra X-ray Golf Sierra 11 miles north inbound ILS runway 15 approach.
Landing gear.
Cessna Alpha Sierra X-ray Golf Sierra, Salzburg Tower. QNH tree 0.00, wind calm, cleared, ILS runway 15 approach.
Landing.
Salzburg Tower Cessna Alpha Sierra X-ray Golf Sierra inbound ILS runway 15 approach.
Landing gear. Landing.
Cessna Alpha Sierra X-ray Golf Sierra, Salzburg Tower.
Landing.
QNH tree
Okay,
0.00, wind calm, cleared, ILS runway 15 approach.
Landing gear.
Cleared ILS runway 15 approach Cessna X-ray Golf Sierra.
Landing gear. 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 Autopilot.
Lot 9 miles downtown,
Cessna X-ray Golf Sierra, wind calm,
070
cleared
to
to land runway 15.
Zealand Tony 33,
Cleared to land runway 15 Cessna X-ray Golf Sierra.
Tower, dzień dobry, lot 7 Delta Lima, ILS 32.
Lot 7 Delta Lima, Tower, dzień dobry. Lot 7 Delta Lima, wind 160, 1 knot, runway 33, clear to land.
Rejecuję to lot 7 Delta Lima.
Transporter from dispatch. Take the VIP to the parking.
Taxi to parking and shut down your engine.
Lot 3 Bravo Golf, Tower.
Cessna X-ray Golf Sierra, exit runway when able.
Lot 3908, Tower.
Cessna X-ray Golf Sierra, exit runway when able. Cessna X-ray Golf Sierra,
Lot
contact
3
ground
Bravo
on
Golf,
118.1.
wind 300, 3 knots, runway 16,
Going to 118.1 Cessna X-ray Golf Sierra.
Air France 38 Echo November, Tower, hello, line up runway 29er and wait.
Hello, we line up from Romeo, runway 29er and wait, Air France 38 Echo November.
Transporter, you can open the doors and begin the disembarkation.
Lot 3908, wind 2803 knots, runway 33, clear to land.